Aguilar, Pangasinan!
Rediscover yourself in one of the lagoons of the many lagoons that Aguilar safeguards, the Bayaoas Upstream Lagoons.
From National Road, mararating natin hanggang Bayaoas Upstream Lagoons, almost an hour ang biyahe. Ang Bayaoas Upstream Lagoons, mayroon tayong 18 lagoons. Yung mga activities na pwedeng gawin dito sa Bayaoas Upstream Lagoons, pwede tayong mag-family picnics, mag-swimming, mag-trail. Ang Bayaoas Upstream River, umaabot siya ng from head to National Road, mayroon tayong 26 kilometers.
The reflection of the blue skies on the clear waters and the sound of splashing made it a creation, a mission of protection as the town prospers.
Aguilar, Pangasinan!